welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup. I actually did this makeup look about 2 to 3 days ago and I absolutely hated it. Here's some pictures from the look. We're going to be recreating it. We're going to fix a few things that I didn't like. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, but if you do want to see kind of like a process of me doing my brows, I have a brow tutorial. But my other videos also have parts of me doing my brows, but you can also check out my TikTok where I posted my 𝑘𝐞𝐬𝐬𝑚akeup video, or TikTok or my Instagram, YouTube Shorts. I think I have it on here too. On that 𝑘𝐞𝐬 video, I showed y'all the process of me actually doing my brows, and that's gonna be the closest. It's gonna resemble my brows today. So if you do want to see a process for the brows, you can go to that there. But yeah, so the last time I did my makeup, I just absolutely hated it. I couldn't stand it. The pictures came out terrible, and yeah, we're just gonna be redoing that today though. So come along with me while we do that. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I will see y'all when that's finished. For my last look, when I did this makeup originally, I felt like the vibe that I was trying to go for was like a cute look, but today we're gonna go for something a little bit more smoky and sultry, but it's still gonna be really pink and cute. So first I'm gonna go in with a really pink color, and we're gonna put that all over my eye. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of a darker shade. We're gonna work that darker shade down, and then we're gonna put like a little bit of brown here. We're gonna do like a smoky eye, but instead of black, we're gonna go down into like a light brown, nothing too dark. Taking a little bit of the original color and a little bit of white, and we're just gonna go in right above here, kind of try to blend that out. Now I'm gonna take this really cute brush. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a really cute brush, and it just so cute. Okay, now we're gonna take the original pink color that we had, and then we're just gonna go up in here a little bit because I want the original light pink to really pop through. That's pretty good. I'm gonna go into a darker brown color, and we're gonna try to kind of fade it. You know, I like this type of color. And I'm just gonna go on my lid with that. Only on my eyelid. I'm not gonna go any further up, and then we're also just gonna come over here and kind of blend that out towards my corner. Okay, now that that color is there, we're gonna try and re-establish some of that pink, and then just keep going through that process of, you know, putting the brown, putting the pink, and all that stuff until it looks how you want it to. Okay, and that's just about how I want it to be. So yeah, that's about the color that I want it to be. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Fenty LilyByRed Glitter on top, just a little bit. Okay, you'll see that. Now that stuff shines like crazy. Okay, we're gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll come back once my base is done. Okay, you guys, so for the most part, my base is done, and this is how it looks. It looks a little bit ashy, but I hope that'll get fixed by the time this makeup is done. Okay, so first things first, we are gonna actually do some blush. We're going to be using this, the Can Make Glow Fleur Cheeks. It's a blush. So what we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna go in and we're gonna go and get like these two colors. Okay, we're not gonna go to that white. That white right there is like a highlighter. We're just gonna go and get like these two colors mainly. Usually I apply my blush like a little bit like that, but today we're gonna apply it here and kind of under our eye, just a little bit. Like literally just the tiniest bit under our eye. Okay, now we're gonna go on our nose. And then we're gonna go on our chin, blend that out a little bit. We're gonna do something else with our blush. I also wanted to include a little bit of the light pink shade that I used on my eye, like right up in here. So I'm taking that light pink shade, it's right here, and I'm gonna be applying that like over here. Make everything kind of come together. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of like an 𝐒𝐿 style makeup, nothing crazy whatsoever. Okay, so I'm gonna take in this little brush and then I'm going to go in with a shade, with a good 𝐒𝐿 style contouring shade. And I'm going to just kind of go like this, and then it's kind of hard to explain. You just kind of go under where you want to highlight, and I'm just highlighting it. There's nothing crazy, like it's not gonna be anything. Look at that, like just with that, we're like done. And then also put a little pink in there, try to make it look a little bit more natural and intentional. I don't know, does that make sense? I'm adding it in there because, you know, my blush is pink and I just want it to feel a little bit more like, okay, it blends in and not just like a dark streak on my face. So now that that's done, I'm gonna take this Rom&nd palette. Super nice palette, I love this. So this is the Rom&nd palette in Glitter Garden, and I'm gonna be taking this pink shade right here, and I'm gonna put that underneath where on my 𝐒𝐿 style. So watch me do that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a tiny bit of glitter in there. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I might change it. I might actually use a bit of this one right here. Okay, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of that also on there. Y'all see that? I'm gonna do that to the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, and then I actually forgot to show y'all this, but I'm taking a darker brown and I'm going like right here and then creating a little bit of a like shadow definition, I guess. I don't know. Then we're gonna bring that up and onto our lid. Kind of like that. You'll see, I kind of want to blend her out just a little bit. I'm actually going to take this dark shade all over my, like a little brown liner. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to go like this. All across my lid. You'll see how that looks. It looks really nice. Now we're gonna do it over here. Okay guys, so now that like basically all of our eyeshadow and stuff is done, now it's time for the really crazy part. So when the last time I did this look, I actually used a Pentel watercolor brush because I don't have actual face paint brushes, and I used those to create like the flowers on my face. That was a bad idea because the flowers ended up looking super messy and just not how I wanted them to. So now we're gonna be using this LA Girl nude lip pencil. We're gonna sketch this out. Flowers, I want one right here, one like probably near here, and then one right here. I think I'll show y'all me sketching out like one of them and painting in one of them. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say, you guys, so I'm gonna do this and I'm not gonna talk during this process. You guys are just gonna have to watch me. Oh, that looks really, really good. Y'all see that? That looks really good. Y'all see that petal right there? So we did those 3 little petals, and then we're gonna do a set right here, and then a set like right here. So let's do that too. I'll be back once I finish the other ones. Okay guys, I finished them. So that's the one I did with y'all, and then I did this one. Can you guys see it? So it's like the flower, and then the 2 petals, and that, so it's kind of identical. And then over here we have a flower and then a singular petal. So now that that is done, we're gonna be taking Juvia's Place liner, I guess that's what you just call it, in the shade White Lotus, which is kind of funny because these are gonna be white flowers. I'm going to outline these with this white color, and then I'm gonna fill them in with either a white concealer or my NYX Jumbo White pen. So I don't know. Okay, I'm hoping for the best. Okay, as of right now, let's get started. I'm going to be so extremely transparent with you guys. Okay, it's been 4 minutes and this is all that I've done. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna come back once these are filled in and I'll explain to you guys how I did it if it doesn't turn into a disaster. So okay guys, so I finished the flowers. I finished filling them in with white and I think I did really good and they look a lot better than the last time that I did my makeup. So the way that I did them was I went in with the white liner that I told y'all about, the Juvia's Place liner, and I'll outline the little drawing that I did with the nude lip pencil. And then I slightly filled them in with that, but of course that wasn't enough, so then I had to go in with a white concealer, and then I just literally with the same little brush that it has was going like that to all of them. I just filled them in until they were fake. Okay, now I need to detail them, fill them in with some pink and red and all that different stuff. So watch and see. Okay, I'm gonna take a white eyeshadow and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna kind of set these. And I'll be right back after that's done. I'm gonna show you guys one process of me filling in one flower. Okay guys, so I just did one that looks really good. I might like kind of blend that out a little bit off camera, but I'm gonna do the other ones and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be using this Flynn glitter in the shade 02. This very pretty Flynn glitter. I'm gonna be taking this and I'm gonna put that like all over my eyelid. I'm just gonna tap it on my eye in a few places and then I'm gonna take my finger and blend that out. I also am going to put it on my finger and then I'm gonna take it like on my other hand and I'm just gonna tap that all over my eyelid because I don't know what I'm doing though. I also want it to go in with a little bit of this glitter. This is actually from my local beauty supply store, so I don't know, but it's called Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow by Nika K New York. Do you guys see it? Can you see that? Okay, y'all see it now. So it's like a white paste, but it has a reflective pink color. So it's super duper cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of that on my finger and then I'm just gonna tap that onto these little flowers in hopes to get them nice and sparkly. I don't even know if that did anything because I can't see too well over there. They're all just slightly shimmery. Like I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just like a slight little shimmer. Maybe like when I take my photos, they'll just appear a little bit more shimmery. You know, just a little extra touch that I wanted to add. I'm a little extra and I love glitter, so I feel like this should be naturally super glittery. And we're also gonna put a little bit of this. This is the LilyByRed Glitter Zone, and this is in the shade, I believe it was like Crash, Pink Crash or something. I'll have this product linked in the description. I didn't mention it to y'all last time, but this product as well, this Glitter Garden Rom&nd palette, will also be linked in the description. So click that and you can get a little bit of money off of your next Yesstyle order. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on my flowers as well. When I come back, we're gonna be doing some gems. We're gonna do my gems and then we're gonna do my lippy. Okay guys, we're back. I'm going to do some gems. And then I'm gonna do this on the other side off camera. Okay guys, now we're gonna go and highlight. Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. For today I'm gonna be using this Rom&nd Long Hazel mascara. It's super thin and it's really nice. I really like this one. You guys see how beautiful that is? So once again, this product, I got this from Yesstyle. It'll be linked down below. You can use my code. You can get some money off your order. I'll be right back when it's time for me to do my lippy. I'm gonna restart it, y'all. I'll just redo it off camera because I'm not liking how it looks right now. 𝐿𝐵𝑟𝑏. Okay guys, so I just finished my makeup. I have these flowers on. My mom helped me put them in my hair and she helped me do my actual hair. And I really like it compared to the other time. Anyways, I have on my mom's old shirt and it has these like really cute flowers on it and stuff. And it's just super duper cute. And I'm really glad that I redid my makeup. My mom suggested me that I do it because I was very unhappy with my makeup. And I did my nails so that they could also match. And I'm just really happy overall about my makeup, and I love the flowers this time around and all that different stuff, you guys. So okie dokie guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, all the Yesstyle products that I use will be linked down in the description. If you guys want a little bit of money off of your next Yesstyle order, you can go down and use my code, which will also be down in the description. Yeah, you guys visit all my different social medias. Those are also down in the description, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Visit this hashtag right here on Instagram to see my posts, because I'm actually going to be using this look to enter into a Yesstyle giveaway contest, and it's about Sakura flowers. But yeah, these are supposed to be Sakura flowers. They actually do look like them, but they're kind of bunched up together, and these are also Sakura flowers. So yeah guys, visit me there, like my post, hype me up over there, okay? Without further ado, I will be ending this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye guys.